Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I don't really have anything planned. Actually, I do. Wait, I forget. Okay, well, I forgot, and since that happens, I'm going to show you my masterpieces I got. So, here's my first one. It's a Phantom. Are you gonna already tell? And here's a turquoise. Here's a one with a flower and a bee. I don't know how this one has the most likes. It's probably my most popular one. I don't know how, but yeah. And then there's these are ones. I'm going to skip the ones in it. Okay. Well, here's a sunset one. And I'm skipping some for you to come see yourself. Here's my favorite one I have. It's a wolf with a heart. At least I'm pretty sure it's a wolf. I traded so much stuff for that. And here's a rare symbol. So, you know, like the stuff. Hold on. I'll show you. Oh, and then this is probably my last Animal Jam YouTube video before I make a one with a camera, so no more of the squelchy stuff here in the suit. And here it, like the rare thing, you see that I tried making that, but it didn't end up so well. They didn't have a gold color. And here's that. So I purposely skipped some for you to come see. So if you don't know, my username is 797UPH. No capitals, all lowercases. Obviously the numbers aren't capitals because that doesn't even exist. Burgers. Okay. Well, let's go to Jamal Township. Oh, and let's do different. Okay. So I'm just going to be going to people's stuff they're hosting, giving away my. Okay. I just want to do this really quick. Sorry for the complete transition. I ran out of memory, so I had to clear that up. But I'm ending this video here, and I have a new intro now. I mean, not intro. I do have a new intro, but I have a new outro, and I hope you like it.